Hi guys! Today we are learning how to recover deleted Google Notes. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Keep app. Once the app launches, you'll be taken to your Notes page. This is where all your saved and deleted notes are managed. From here, we can check if the deleted note is still available. Now tap the three horizontal lines located at the top left side of the screen. This will open the side menu with several options. Here you can access categories, labels, and deleted items. The trash section stores notes that were recently removed. After that, tap on Bin from the available options. Here you'll find notes that have been deleted recently. Deleted notes can be restored within 7 days before they are removed permanently, so it's important to recover them before that period ends. Once you're inside the Bin section, find and tap the note you want to recover. Opening the note allows you to access additional options. Make sure you've selected the correct note before restoring it. This step helps bring the note back to your main list. Now tap the three dots located at the bottom right side of the screen. A few options will appear for managing the note. One of these options allows you to restore the deleted note. This makes the note active again in your account. After that, tap Restore and then refresh the app. Your deleted note should return to the main Google Keep page. As long as the note hasn't been permanently deleted, this method works smoothly. You can now continue editing or viewing it normally. And that's how you can easily recover deleted Google Notes step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.